Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to use AI to answer tickets in Helpira. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar and click on the settings. To generate answers from AI, it is required to add OpenAI API key. Enter your OpenAI API key. If you do not have an OpenAI API key, you can generate the API by creating your OpenAI platform account. This link is given. Next, enter the prompt. You can add your prompt to generate answer from AI. If you don't add your own prompt, the default Helpira prompt will be used. After that, scroll down and click the Update Settings button. Next, I will show you how to get the ticket answer using AI. Go to the sidebar and click on the tickets. You can see all the tickets here. To reply to a ticket, please click on the ticket subject. Here, you can see the ticket details, and you can also see which product the ticket is related to. Then, you can also answer tickets manually here. For example, this is the answer to the ticket. We can improve the answer with the help of AI. To improve the answer, click on the Improve Answer button. You can see here that AI has improved the answer. You can use this answer by clicking the Insert button, or you can copy the answer by clicking the Copy button. If you do not want to give the answer manually, then you can also give it by generating the answer from AI. To generate an answer from AI, click on the Generate Answer by AI button. You can see here that AI has generated the answer. After that, scroll down and select the answer type, and then click the Send button. You can see here, we have given the ticket answer using AI. That's how easy it is to use AI to answer tickets in Helpira. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.